Okay, today I'm going to show you a couple things that people have been asking about. The first one's an easy one. It's the new safety mode. So the way it works is every time the quad's armed, I'm going to go ahead and arm this quad here. I don't recommend you do this yourself because even though it seems to work, it's pretty scary. Okay, so when I plug in the quad, and first to arm the quad, again I stress, probably not a good idea to do this yourself. When the quad first starts up, you can see it's in safety mode. What this allows you to do is basically, if your hands get caught in there, your fingers get caught in there, it gets caught against your head, whatever, it's not gonna hurt you. It detects when you first give it input and it comes out of safety mode, so don't try this once you've done more than just arm the quad. But what's nice about this is, if I do arm the quad accidentally in my hands, it's not going to hurt me. Again, even on a rearm, it's still in the safety mode, and you can see it'll still prevent myself from getting hurt. Please like and share this video, and I'll go over a few more things today in the videos that are coming up.